Today I want to share some attires of my culture. This attire that I'm wearing is a rich traditional dress of the Konyak girl called Shiko-o. It's an ensemble of garments, jewelry, beads, and accessories handed down from the past. Over time, slight changes happen, but the core idea remains the same. This traditional costume indicates the culture and identity of my tribe. My headgear, called the shangkep, my waist belt, called the shangkep, my necklace, called the engkep, consists of colorful beads, ivory, brass, etc., knitted into a beautiful decorated pattern. My earrings, called the nachulap, consist of small cylindrical shape called chu, which are braided with threads made of dried orchid stem barks. The other parts of the earring are the brass spirals and the welded old coins. This colored porcupine quill is worn in the ear pina, which adds to the beauty of the attire. Since I don't have a hole in my ear, I have it stuck on my hair. The armlets, called the ventong, are made of cowrie shells and barks of orchids. This is the Niemlong Nieha, which means rainbow mekla, because it has the stripes like the colors of the rainbow. Isn't it beautiful? I am so happy to share my attire with all of you. Thank you.